Magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ito po ang inyong likod, si Jomar Makinay. And today, we'll be reviewing the Handy MK6, which is a very unique looking kids blaster by Handy. And still have more to review. Where is my Código? Okay. First things first. Quality. This is an combination of ABS and nylon plastic. Looks nice. Looks like the expensive gel blaster airsoft that have holes in the grip. You can see the battery holes. Press. This is the battery. See. Holes everywhere in the buttstock, in the M-lock, not standard M-lock. You can see the gearbox inside, trigger, it's moving. It's really nice. Trades, it has its own branding. So, assault rifle tactical version. Assault rifle tactical version, muffler, more on that later, sights, HPLY, it's cute. For the features, a lot. This is an actual scope. I don't know if you can see it. It has magnification, see? So it looks very nice. Very, very nice. It has weird blowback, see? It moves. Oops. And blowback. This moves. And, believe it or not, this is even a folding stock. So when your kid wants to do some CQB, you can do it. And my favorite feature is this one. Power on, hold. This item is not smoke, but what do you call that one? Transducer foam. And it moisturizes your skin. You can put actually water here. Water. And it atomizes the water. Even then I'm going to buy this unit only for this one. It's so wonderful. Actually, I liked it so much. I already made an adapter. Ta-da! So it's Smoke Tracer Spitfire. Smoke Tracer Spitfire. No, there's no tracer. Only Smoke Spitfire. Excuse me. I love this. For the magazine capacity, it's the usual one. It's fed here. This is ABS. And it's not friction. The plunger type press for the bullet to come out. I already used up most of the bullets, so it won't come out anymore. Weight. This is surprisingly heavy for... Need to remove the gels. Okay, my gels were not flying properly because this one are oversized. I left it far too much water. For the weight, it is very heavy for its price range. It's around, I think it's more than a kilo. No more gels. No more. More than a kilo. No. Almost a kilo. It's a little bit heavy comparison to the other gel blaster toys that, I mean, kids toys that I have. The battery is here. Same with the other handy units using this battery connector. Again, this is not 11.1, this is 7.4. It still uses the weird connectors. So, something to keep, remind you. Range, this is 100, FPS is around 100 to 140 FPS. So, not that much, but it can still reach my 10-meter mark if I, again, arch. It has no built-in hop-up, so your mileage will vary. Price, this is currently on sale. It was 1,500 before. It's, I think, 1,350 on Lazada. Link in the description. If it was me, what I will do is, I will buy this unit just for this one. And buy an adapter for me. And you will now have a smoke tracer. A smoke Spitfire. Rather, it looks really nice. You will see the firing video in my shorts. This one is weird for me because it looks really nice. If it was a little bit bigger or standard size or uses a standard gearbox, this will sell well, especially if it's a B2 or the Gen 8. The idea is nice, but the fathers will not like this. But for children, oh, absolutely, they will love this. Especially this one. It lights up, produces smoke. It only produces red. Yes, only red. Red. And there's a somewhat magnified scope. This one, the children will love. But no, this comes with also a orange tip. So, as I said earlier, buy this. Give to your child. You keep this. And that's more or less it. If you have any questions, suggestions, violent reactions, do not hesitate to put it down in the comment section down below. And I'll answer it as soon as possible. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!